SNDL will also have triple bottom right here, so there's also potential for what? For a bounce off this level. So keep an eye out, see how price really did fluctuate around this area, see if we can really move out of this zone, okay, and we can push through 55 cents, then we can continue to push to the upside on that name. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time again, you're welcome to this channel, and today we're gonna be dealing with low price, low float stocks, and I have a couple of stocks that I'll be watching for this coming week. I don't have a whole lot here, but you know, if I cannot analyze them here, I'm gonna analyze and then put them up on my Twitter and stock tweet account. Now, looking at the market, the S&P 500, you know, broad view as per the close Friday, see how we're looking at about 60-40% green, to be honest. At this point we have Apple, you know, turning in positive, with Google down about 1% and Amazon 1.4%. Following, you know, the financial side, which is like the MasterCard and Visa and American Express and all that, those ones are really down, which, you know, drag the market with them as well. But the energy is your pure green sector, as well as the healthcare as well. They're all green. Now, looking at SPY, what are we looking for on SPY? We're looking for the fact that price actually got back to this level right here. Okay, price got to this level, but guess what price is doing? Price keep rejecting that level. So right now, if momentum comes into the downside, I'll be looking for SPY to get to that $405 or even $400 level. Okay, with open mind below $400 on the SPY, the market. But for now, keep an eye out, see if price can bounce off this area and then revisit the 425 or 430 area as well. That is going to be for the market, so keep an eye out, very close eye on it, see if we can bounce off that level. Now, the first stock here is going to be AMPY. AMPY has been on a cruise mission for a while. We've been, you know, pushing higher and higher and higher and higher non-stop. Right now we did close about $7.51. So if this area holds, then expect price to pull back down. But if it reclaim and holds, then we'll continue to push up into $8 in the coming days on Amplified. Next one up here is going to be Veru, VERU. This one right now, stock is pulling back down. I have two levels that I'll be watching. I'll be watching the $8.35, $8.40. That's the area I'll be watching, and as well as, you know, price, if it doesn't hold this 846 or 845, it will drop down into the 200 moving average. So keep an eye out on this as well, see how the action really plays out. UONE right now, we are back to the top level of this channel. We're back to this top spot, and I'll be expecting a reject and then back down to $8.50 or even $8 in the coming days. But keep an eye out. I think we'll just keep going and keep extending non-stop on that name. TRHC right now, see how price really bounced off this bottom trend into the resistance zone. So keep an eye out, see if that continue to give some more momentum. XRTS guys, we're breaking the downtrend, close right above the downtrend, and looking for price to reclaim the 20 and 50 exponential moving average. All right, SPRO as well. This one right now, we'll be looking for what they call the Fibonacci retracement. See if this can really retrace back to the mean. So keep an eye out as well. SOUN right now we got 1347 close with room above $16 and below $12 on this name. So keep an eye out on SOUN. Next one is going to be SPRO. We talked about that one, so just looking for a bounce gap fill that spot as well. SNOA right now we're looking at $4. Okay, $4 right now. We got this W shape, which I also fancy. We have the W shape. Okay, so this can really push as well. Next one is gonna be RODBX. RODBX, we've been pushing, break through the 200 level, which is our SMA, and then pull back down to in attempt to retest it, but fail back down to this trend. So expect price to hold around this 550 area in the coming days. SMFL, this one right now, it IPO'd long time ago, about what, $3.50. Right now we are breaking, we're about to break the 20 exponential moving average with room down into $1.50, which is our 50 exponential moving average. SNDL will also have triple bottom right here, so there's also potential for what, for a bounce off this level. So keep an eye out, see how price really did fluctuate around this area, see if we can really move out of this zone, okay, and we can push through 55 cents, then we can continue to push to the upside on that name. Next one is gonna be SNOA. Okay, SNOA, this one right now I'm looking for $4.25 break. That is what I'm looking for. That is the idea. So if we can break this $4 and hold right above it, then we're going to see $4.67 easily on the name. SKYH as well, we're looking for a bounce off this zone. At this point we're really solid in terms of our foundation right here for the stock to really bounce off. So keep an eye out on SKYH as well. SGLY, this one right now I'm looking at price to bounce off $4.25. If it doesn't bounce off that level, then expect price to push back down to $3.50 or even lower on that. This was a good shot all the way, so keep an eye out on SGLY. Next is gonna be PWP. Right now we're looking at price failing this level. Okay, we failed that to hold that trend, and all of a sudden, guess what? This was a boom candle to the downside. So keep an eye out on that as well. OTRK right now we're looking at $1.50. Alright, that's what we're looking for right now. If price can break through this 20 exponential moving average, we can get straight to the 50 EMA easily in the market. So keep an eye out on that name. NINE. Keep an eye on this one as well, as price is beginning to motivate in the coming days. HUSA for now, this is really forming and holding this 20 and 50 exponential moving average. So keep an eye out, see if that area holds as a support to continue push into $5 as well. ICPT as well, this was a beautiful gap up, so I'll be looking for a fill as well in the coming days. ADSN, we're moving higher to the upside. Look at how volume really comes into play and kind of pushes to the upside. So keep an eye out, see if price can retest this trend right here. If price can retest this trend, we should be alright to continue to push to the upside as well. CVM, right now $3.05 is your best bet. See if price can really hold. If it does hold, then expect this to push back to the upside. Next is gonna be NKTX. Right now I still have my short position on this one, so I'll be looking for price to revisit the 1477 area, or even $12.90 as well. So keep an eye out on that. METC as well. This is Remonco Resources. Right now we're looking for price to continue to push to the upside. Right now we're trying to fight the 20 and 50 exponential moving average, so keep an eye out on that name. Next is gonna be KTTA. KTTA, right now we are pulling lower to retest the $1 spot. So retest the $1 spot. Next time I think we can continue to push to the upside if you reclaim that particular spot. All right, so keep an eye out on that as well. FNKO, gapping up. See what happened when we gapped up right here? Expecting the same thing to happen there as well, so keep an eye out. ENSV, right now we're looking for $3. Okay, if we can really hold this $3 spot, then we can continue to push to the upside on ENSV. Another one to keep an eye out is GAN. GAN. This is GAN. Right now $4.13, $4.50. We break this spot, then we'll continue to push higher into $4.94. So keep an eye out, see how the stock is trading in the coming days as well. Next is going to be CRTX. Let's say we're looking at price to bounce off this level. If price can bounce off this level, we should be all right. We should continue to push to the upside. Guys, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. I hope you all enjoyed this section. If you have any question, concern, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.